Good morning to one and all present here. Respected Principal Sita Ma'am, our supporting coordinator Pramila Ma'am, are all the teachers, parents and my dear friends. We are students of Prep-C. Welcome you all to our special assembly on the theme seasons. We are sure you all have lots of fun watching our program. So let's begin.
Hi everyone, I'm Siona Joseph. I study in Prep-C. We know there are 4 seasons: summer, spring, autumn and winter. However, in India we have 5 seasons because we have a special season called rainy season. All the seasons are very beautiful and unique in their own way. Let's see some of my friends talking about their favorite seasons. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Shanvi from Prep-C. I'm going to tell we have 12 months in a year and 4 seasons. Spring is the first season. It comes in March, April, May. Second season is summer. It comes in June, July, August. Third season is monsoon. It comes in September, October, November. The fourth season is winter. It comes in December, January, February. So these are the 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, monsoon, winter. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Siona Joseph. Today I'm going to show you my poster about seasons. First I'm going to start with summer. Summer, the sun is very hot and people are thirsty, so I've drawn a thirsty crow. And I've used pulses to shape the sun. Next I'm going to spring. Spring, the trees have lush green leaves. I've used real leaves to make the trees leaves. It rains on spring, so I've drawn a rainbow. And there's flowers everywhere. Next I'm going to winter. Winter, it snows. And I have drawn a snowman. I've used cotton to fill it. Next, during this season, people celebrate the festival Christmas on the season. So I've made a Christmas tree. Next I'm going to autumn. Autumn, the leaves become dry and they fall down. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Arjun. Today I am going to talk about seasons. There are 5 seasons: summer, spring, monsoon, autumn and winter. In summer, we like to eat mango. In summer, we like to eat tender coconut. In winter, we like to eat drink hot chocolate. In winter, we wear muffler. In spring, we eat fruits like strawberries. In monsoon, it's wise to carry an umbrella. These These are the 5 seasons. Thank you.
Everyone, I have done seasons. That is autumn season, summer season, rainy season, winter season, spring season. Hope you like this. Thank you.
Summer season is the hottest season of the year. Season starts in March and ends in June. In summer season, days are long and nights are short. In summer season, the sun rises early in the morning. There are many fruits and vegetables in summer season, like mango, watermelon. In summer season, people like to go hill station.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Mebino. I'm studying in Prepsi Gopalan International School. Today I'm going to show and tell about summer season. Summer season is the hottest season. In this season, the days are long and the nights are short. In summer season, we wear light cotton dress and we use umbrella and we use hat, we use sunglasses. And in summer season we sweat a lot. We have to drink juice, tender coconut and water. In summer season we eat mango, watermelon, banana, orange. Thank you.
Hi kids, it's Jay there. I'm talking about with summer. In summer we want to drink lots of water and we want to wear caps and we want to wear goggles and we want to wear cotton gloves and we want to drink coconut water and we want to drink lemon juice and we want to eat mango and orange and we want to eat watermelon and we want to eat fruits. Okay, that's all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Param. I have made a poster on seasons. There are 5 seasons. Winter, summer, autumn, spring and monsoon. Today I am going to talk about summer season. It is my favorite season because we can eat ice cream, mango and cold juice. We can also swim. We can go to beach with our family. We can enjoy the summer season. Hope you like my poster. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mohit. I am going to see my favorite season. This is summer season. We'll eat papaya. This is watermelon. We'll eat summer. This is thunder fresh. This is juice. This is ice cream. And we'll play in garden with the cashew. And we'll wear this dress. Thank you, ma'am.
Season is the greatest gift of nature. Rainy season comes at the end of summer season. This season usually begins in June and ends in September. It is also called as monsoon season. In this season, farmers work hard in the field. Rainy season cleans our environment. This is my favorite season.
Hello everybody, my name is Kavya. I'm going to talk about my favorite season, which is winter. Winter season is a lovely season. Let's talk about the fun things you can do in winter. Winter season is you can sled, you can actually build snowman, you can make a tower and double it down, very soft, and you can actually drink hot chocolate, and you can also wear warm clothing to keep you warm and stuff. And did you know that some animals might hibernate in winter? They act some animals sleep down on the ground and hibernate. That means sleep throughout the winter, like bears, hedgehogs, and squirrels. Some birds form a flock and they make a V-shaped and they migrate to a warmer place. And do you know fun facts? Some fish sleep down in the water and they sleep throughout the winter too. That's called hibernating again. Thank you.
Winter is a very cold season. This season usually starts in the month of November and ends in February. During winter, days are short and nights are long. In winter season, people will wear warm clothes. And like to eat hot. Winter is the season of healthy vegetables and fruits. Many animals and birds choose migration during winter to find place to live.
Hi everybody, my name is Saronika. I'm from Prep C and we all have seasons. But do you know why we have seasons? Let me explain. This is the Earth's axis. It was one day straight, a Mars-shaped object. Just hit it and it tilted like this. The Earth is spinning like a top and circling the Sun in an oval path. The part which faces the Sun is summer season. The part which is not facing the Sun is winter season. Now the Earth circles the Sun and come here. Now the seasons are reversed. Which part of the Earth is facing the Sun is spring. Which part of the Earth is not facing the Sun is autumn.